Thank you so much for joining me for another video today. Hawkwall Cards. I've got a box of 2019 Absolute Football, $39.99. I found at a local Target. You get 4 packs per box, 10 cards per pack. Find 1 autograph and 1 memorabilia card per box on average. I'm looking for 1 rookie signature. So we got the season opening up tomorrow. Hopefully we can hit something nice. Just kind of wanted to open up something. Got my DK Metcalfs in the back for some good luck. Hoping you guys are all having a great day. And let's see what we got here. The inside looks like. Alright, so put the thicker ones on the bottom. Pack number 1. Alright. Looks like we got a Evan Ingram. Here's a decent look at the base card. Myles Garrett, Nick Chubb, Matt Ryan. Nice. Got a Patrick Mahomes red parallel. Got a team trio, Sammy Watkins, Mahomes, and Kelsey. Pretty cool card there. Paris Campbell rookie card. Expect him to have a good season. We got a Anthony Johnson from the Bucks. Got Rodney Anderson, running back for the Bengals. And nice, Daniel Jones, quarterback for the Giants. He's had a really good preseason, aside from a couple fumbles. On to pack number 2. We got Noah Fant on the back. We got Nick Foles, Adrian Peterson, Sammy Darnold. Got an Adam Thielen. Another red parallel, this time Van Der Esch. Good red parallels. Got a Drew Lock introductions. Pretty cool card. Rookie QB of the Broncos. Got Josh Oliver, tight end of the Jags. Mac Wilson, had a really good preseason for the Browns at linebacker. Julian Love, another Giants rookie. And Noah Fant, tight end for the Broncos. Rookie card. Alright, I'm guessing these last 2 packs do feel thicker. Those will be our auto and our memorabilia cards. See if we can't catch something nice. Got Cortland Sutton. Got Emmanuel Hall, rookie card. Terry McLaurin. Had an awesome rookie camp also. Montez Sweat for the Redskins. Got Joe Jackson. Deebo Samuel. He's had a good preseason for the Niners as a rookie. We got Kenyon Drake and Mitchell Trubisky for the other 2 base cards. We got our red is Devontae Freeman. Red parallel for this pack. And then we got a Lil Jordan Humphrey, wide receiver, auto, 13 out of 75 for the Saints. Honestly, haven't heard of this guy. Really cool looking card, actually. Hopefully he ends up doing some big things. Alright, and last pack of the box, this should be our memorabilia card. Alright, we got Michael Thomas, Jalen Ramsey, Shaquille Griffin. It's a cool card. Let's go to the rookies. Darwin Thompson for Kansas City. JJ Arcega-Whiteside, wide receiver for the Eagles. We got Drew Sample, tied into the Bengals. TJ Hawkinson, it's definitely been a good preseason rookie as well. Tied in for the Detroit Lions. There's that Shaquille again. We got Richard Sherman, red, pretty cool. Damian Harris, running back for the Patriots. Not a bad rookie card there. And then looks like our memorabilia card is Damian Harris. So it's a double Damian Harris. Rookie force for the Patriots. No number or anything like that. So, 2 hits of the box. Damian Harris memorabilia card. And Lil Jordan Humphrey from the Saints. Got a bunch of rookie cards. Actually pretty cool style. I definitely prefer these over the, just a little different style over the last couple years. So, appreciate you guys very much. Thank you so much for watching another video of Hawkwall Cards. Hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the NFL season we got coming right up. Alright, take care and peace be the journey.